Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. Now before we get into this video, I'm going to be straight with you guys. I've been looking at my YouTube analytics and it makes me sad. 96% of the people watching my videos are not currently subscribed to me. And that's insane because it's such an easy thing to do and you can go down there and do it now. So go do it, I'll wait. Have you done it? Good. Now, if I can get 200 subscribers by the end of August, I'm going to do a big giveaway. That's my subscription goal for you guys. If you can get me to 200 subscribers by the end of August, we'll do a big giveaway. And while you're down there subscribing, you may as well like and comment as well. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about what this video is actually about. And that's these. The MPOW M12s. Now, if you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you'll know the MPOW name. I've reviewed quite a few of their products in the past, from their gaming headset to their soundbar. Those videos will be scattered around somewhere. Both incredible products, really good sound quality and really cheap. So I'm expecting big things from these as well. These have just been released. They are retailing for £30 at the moment on Amazon, which is really cheap for what you're getting here. But let's go ahead and take these out of the box and have a look. Okay guys, so here we are with the MPOW M12s. Now, as I noted earlier, these things retail for £30 on Amazon. And when you'll get them in this lovely kind of really bright, colourful box. On the front, it has the MPOW name, noting that these are truly wireless earbuds with a little bit of some information down there as well. These are wireless charging. It could be dual or mono. They have touch controls and they will connect instantly. So having a look around the box, we do see along the bottom that same information again, and a little bit more in depth on the back here as well in terms of specifications and features. But let's go ahead and pull these little guys out. So the first thing we notice is that MPOW logo in red shiny writing, very nice. Opening up that box again, if I can, there we go. We have the case, which has the MPOW logo along the top. USB-C charging on the back, which is perfect. Thank you so much, MPOW, for that. We can open it up. We see where these little buds will sit. The case itself is small and lightweight and has these LED lights along the front as well to indicate battery life. So if I close them, you'll see those there. Let's put those off to the side and pull out the earbuds themselves. So these things are absolutely tiny. We do of course have the MPOW logo there, if you can see that. Yep. And these are touch pads as well. We've got some tips included, but there are also others in the box. We'll put those down to the side, or we pull off that plastic layer to reveal what is underneath. So the first thing is a load of replacement tips of different sizes. But I normally find the medium tips that they put in are pretty good anyway. That USB-C cable, which is perfect. And just all your normal paperwork. But let's go ahead and take a look at those earbuds once again. So they look to be nice and comfortable. You've got those conduction points there for your charging. And that's pretty much it. There's no power buttons. There's a microphone along the bottom of the device, but that's all I see here. So let's go ahead and pop these in the case and get them charging. And there they are, sat in their case there. They look very much like the Galaxy Buds, I must admit. analog design. The first thing I noticed about the charging case when I first took it out was just how much like the Galaxy Buds it looks. This is an almost replica of the Galaxy Buds case with that nice magnetic clasp that clicks shut when you're done. It is not a bad thing that it looks like the Galaxy Buds, not at all. I thought the case for the Galaxy Buds were really nice, and it's sleek, discreet, it can sit in my pocket, and it doesn't get in the way too much, so plus points there. So these things are super easy to pair as well. You just open up the case and take the buds out, and they're paired. That's all it takes, and it is so quick and so easy and so painless that these are starting to rival things like the AirPods in terms of how easy they are to set up and to just start listening to music. I don't have to go through a lengthy pairing process, which is great. That USB-C port on the back and the wireless charging makes this thing perfect for just everything. So I was planning to use these at the gym. Every morning when I get up at about 6 o'clock in the morning, I've got to think, have I chucked my things on charge? Have I chucked them in my bag? And I'll get to the gym, put my earbuds in, and they'll be dead. So that wireless charging is perfect, because I've got a wireless charger directly next to my bed. I can just chuck them on there, and they can charge, and then in the morning I just pick them up and get out the door. I don't have to worry about them, so plus points there. Well done, MPOW. So the earbuds do of course have that little touchpad on each side. That is for play pausing on one tap. A double tap will skip forward or skip back a track depending on which side you're pressing. If you hold them, then it will turn the volume up and it will turn the volume down. And you can also take calls on these. They do have that microphone there as well. The mic quality is good enough to make a phone call, though I wouldn't rely on them too heavily. Now, of course, what would be an earbud review without the actual review of the sound? These things in true MPOW style sound incredible. You get lovely crisp mids and lows, and also those highs are there too, but the bass isn't too bad. It's not overpowering like in many of the other products that I've used in a similar category. These are mellowed in their bass, and MPOW have always been known for not really pushing their bass, but personally I don't see that as a bad thing. When I'm at the gym, the last thing I want is a thumping bass in my ear that's making my head hurt, you know? So this I thought was a perfect middle ground in terms of bass and overall soundscape. So popping them in my ear, they don't look too bad. They're very small and they don't intrude too much. I could potentially use these for sleep as well, but I've got some sleep buds coming for that. So get subscribed if you want to see a review of the sleep buds that I have coming. They're pretty cool. Now, they are really comfortable in the ear too. I could listen to these for hours and hours and hours on end and I wouldn't feel like they were getting in the way or they were becoming uncomfortable at all. And I've worn them for 2 or 3 hours at a time and they haven't become uncomfortable. So it's up to 5 hours of music playback right now with these buds, and that's at a moderate volume. With that case as well, you do get an extra 20 hours. So this case is quite a little power bank compared to the earbuds themselves. 25 hours is a really good amount of time to be able to listen to music. And with that wireless charging as well, as I've said, you're never going to run out of juice. You just chuck it down and you go. So anyway, guys, this has been my review of the MPOW M12s. And I'm just going to say it straight. For £30, this is incredible value for money. You get some really, really good earbuds that sound great. Wireless charging in the case, USB-C as well, and those touch controls that work perfectly. I really cannot express how much I love these things, and I will be using these as my daily driver now in terms of earbuds at the gym. So the link to buy these will be in the description down below if you're interested. Also remember to get subscribed because we've got that big giveaway at 200 subscribers coming up, and I'm super excited to do that with you guys. Anyway, my name's been Robert, this has been Review Clue, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.